Okay, everybody, so I want to show you guys my new Frizzllife RV quick change water filter. So this is like what I would call an outboard water filter. This is a device that would actually go between your campground spigot and your RV, no matter what it is, teardrop, travel trailer, fifth wheel, motorhome, whatever. Okay, and what this is supposed to do is filter out the contaminants that are coming out of the campground spigot, filter those out so you have clean water. This will take out contaminants. It will reduce chlorine, asbestos, sediments, all sorts of stuff. We're going to start putting it together. Now, it comes fully assembled. I just tore it apart for another video, but I just kind of want to go over this. So this is a Frizzllife filter. This is branded. Okay, so this is not like some inexpensive bulker, so I'm feeling really good about this. And of course we have our O-rings, so we're going to push that up in there. And what you're going to want to do, by the way, when you first get these filters, you're going to want to run a few gallons of water. Throw run like 5 gallons through it, okay? I think like the standard is 1 or 2 gallons, but I don't do that. Go with 5 and then go water a tree. How about that? So there you go. Mother Nature's getting something for your effort. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to screw that down in there. And it comes with 2 of these little tools. There are no instructions for this, by the way, that I found anyway in my package. So what you're going to want to do, because it has the little O-rings, you're just going to want to turn it until it stops right there. And you do not need to twist any tighter. If you do that, it could be a bugger to get undone down the road. And it's just not necessary, okay? So we have that. This is what I think is really cool. Probably take that little tag off. In order to install this on here, is all you have to do is just, it's a quarter of a turn. It's just a quarter turn, okay? And this comes off too. You can hang this if you want. You can. It's pretty adaptable to however you're going to use it. But anyway, there you go, quarter turn. This is something that's cool, and I like this just because of the engineering, right? It's not just a quarter turn, but when you get it almost done, it has a little ramp to it, and come on, and it lifts right off. See, so look there. See how it pushed down? Now watch. There. See how that goes up like that? Good thinking, guys. That's awesome. Okay, just makes servicing this and checking it out extremely easy. Okay, so this is your water inlet. This is your water outlet. It comes with a really nice braided hose. So this will go onto the rig. Little FYI, little tip. Hook this onto your rig first and then hook this on. And the reason why I say that is because this does not spin. This male part here does not spin, and this one does. So you don't have to fight the hose. You can just get it all set up and then mount it on that. So that's a very nice hose with a really nice seal. Again, you have 2 of these tools, and then you've got some little stakes, which is kind of interesting. But let's put this holder together. This is kind of something that I thought was cool. This all just kind of came in a bag, right? So this has a pretty stout little holder. So what we're going to do is just take the long end, put it up here in the top. This has enough flex, if you can see that, and it's not going to break it. To insert it like that. I like that. That is cool. That is going to give us a sturdy base. Okay. There we go. Got it like that. There you go. If you'd like, or you need to, you could stake it down. Maybe you're staying at a park for a while and you just want to stake it down. So I like that. Okay, really cool. Again, this is your in, this is your out. Nice hose. Fully serviceable. Cheers.